and Hodl on. Tom.
Right, I wanted to start off with that keep calm and hodl on. It was funny to see CNBC Fast Money saying keep calm and hodl on. Our terminology is spreading across the whole world. So this is a key bit that I wanted to show you.
If you take out the 10 best days for Bitcoin every year based on percentage change, Bitcoin's fallen 25% a year. So in other words, the gains in Bitcoin occur in a very short number of days. And even last year, for instance, if you exclude the 10 best days, Bitcoin was only up 200%. So in other words, that whole 1,600% move was actually concentrated in a handful of days.
How confident are you that historical data holds for an asset like Bitcoin when the liquidity has changed so dramatically over the course of this many years? And
I mean, it's a fair question.
This is a good question because he's talking about Bitcoin and Bitcoin's history.
This idea of avoiding market timing, really, that's why you want to make sure you capture the 10 best days, is really worked in a lot of liquid markets for years, right? For S&P, it's really been since 1954. And in Bitcoin, there's consistency. So it's not as if when you look at the history of Bitcoin that there's a few years where this is the case. It's really occurred in every single year.
So that's one of the key points Tommy Lee wanted to make about the 10 best days and history repeating itself. It has happened before, and the reasons why it's crashed now is not as bad as before. So if you believe in Bitcoin, guys, honestly, keep calm and hold on.
Bitcoin is a great store of value. It works really well. It's kind of boring because it's not like the latest and most exciting project. But it also is one of the most liquid ways to get exposure to crypto. I mean, there's a lot of on-ramps being built from, futures and I think potential ETFs, and it's probably the clearest from a regulatory perspective. So I think when institutions start to really get involved, and they aren't in a big way, Bitcoin's going to be one of the first places they start.
The price of Bitcoin.
So the question to Tommy Lee was, would Bitcoin, there are other coins that are gaining popularity, so would Bitcoin still be the main one? And I personally have always said I'm bullish on Bitcoin in the long run. It's a great store of value. It's one of the most popular ones, and it's the first one that people buy, and they are developing. I know it's a bit slow and it's not the fancy one of all the cryptocurrencies, but Bitcoin is still key. And although the market cap of the Bitcoin dominance is going down, I think there will be a comeback, but that's just my opinion.
We still think Bitcoin's in a bull market. So I don't think we have the conditions that took place in 2014, which was a huge liquidity shock, right? And you had the largest exchange announce a massive hack. I mean, that's not the type of seismic event taking place in crypto today.
Is crypto?
So that's another good point. There hasn't been that many bad news as much as before. Last time it went up so massively. The market is consolidating. But in a way, I do agree with him that although we're not in a massive bull run yet, I think we will be in a bull run soon. There might be another dip, but I think we will be on a bull run overall in 2018.
But, we're doing a lot of calls and meetings with traditional managers. They're taking this chance for while Bitcoin's consolidating, and they're seeing the case for it as a real store value, and there's real plumbing being built to get educated. So I think this is actually great timing because it doesn't force investors to jump in and then learn later. It's giving a chance to really study this. So I as bad as it feels now, I think it's actually the kind of environment you want.
Last quick question, right here, right now. Fresh money into Bitcoin or the S&P 500?
What do you think his answer is, guys?
If it's between now and year end,
yes,
it's easily Bitcoin.
Boom, Bitcoin. So keep calm and hold on. Right, I'll just quickly do my own analysis now. So Bitcoin and cryptocurrency has gone up. I don't share my technical analysis on YouTube, but according to technical analysis, it's kind of breaking out, but it hasn't confirmed that it's broken out yet. It's still not out of the woodworks yet. So I've still got cash on the outside. Because looking at risk and reward ratio, I think it'd be best for me to still not invest and get some confirmation, because I've already taken some profits, and people might be taking profits, and there might be another dip before it goes up massively. There might not be, but I'll wait slightly longer before I start investing my money, because there might be another dip. But that's just my advice, guys. But overall, guys, if you're going to be a long time hodler, gradually buy in, dollar cost average. I've spoken about this before. Don't invest all your money. If you've got £1,000, invest £200 this month, £300 next month, and dollar cost average, because Bitcoin and cryptocurrency will go on a massive bull run this year. So that's just my price prediction, guys. And if you're investing in other altcoins, follow me on Twitter and Instagram. I'll share my views on it. Some of the coins that I've spoken about before was Ontology and Nano. They've gone up quite a bit. All the altcoins are doing quite well. When Bitcoin goes up slightly, all the altcoin goes up more, but when Bitcoin crashes, all the altcoins crashes even more. So Bitcoin is king, guys, because the entry to this market is through Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin is still king, until we have got more USD pairs with altcoins, Bitcoin is still key. So keep that in mind, guys. So that's just my prediction, guys. Overall, guys, I'm massively bullish on Bitcoin. There might be a small dip before we go up. There could be a double bottom, so I'm still got some cash on the sidelines, but again, I'm gonna start buying Bitcoin soon and start dollar cost averaging and gradually buying into Bitcoin. So that's just my predictions, guys. Thank you for watching this video, and like I've said, guys, I'm doing my half a Litecoin giveaway. If you want to win that half a Litecoin, guys, post your Litecoin addresses below to have a chance to win half a Litecoin, guys. And to be in with a chance to win this Litecoin, guys, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and share this video, guys, and you will win half a Litecoin. Again, thank you very much, guys. I really appreciate all your help. 1,000 subscribers, I'm honestly really grateful to have achieved that. And if I get any money, I don't make any money from YouTube, the first paycheck I get, I'm happy to give that money away as well. So again, thank you very much for watching, guys. Subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, share it with your friends and family on Twitter, Facebook, and word of mouth, and leave your Litecoin addresses below.